welcome back to a new episode. We're just about to head out to the Cancer Freedom Ride 2020. If you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. It's an awesome Saturday morning. Weather is great, just about 60 degrees, nice little chill, and we all here.
taste of a misfit